Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be talking about GKS University Track. So there are two kinds of applicants. One is who are applying for Embassy Track and other is who are applying for University Track. But there is a third kind also. Let's say if you're applying for University Track and you didn't get selected in the first round, then you can apply for University Track. So University Track is open for kind of all the applicants. So it's better to know the process in detail, like how to find the university, how to know the dates and where to send the documents and all such process. So in this video, I'll be talking about GKS University Track and I'll be showing some examples by taking some universities, and you can follow similar example for other universities. So without wasting any time, let's proceed. Now as you can see, this is the 2022 guidelines and these are the universities for University Track. So there are two kinds of universities, that is general and regional, and in general these many universities are there and regional these universities are there. So let's say if you're applying for engineering major in regional university, then you can go for these universities, and let's say if you're applying for general majors, so you can apply for these universities. Now I'll be taking some universities and I'll be showing how to find the dates and how to get to know about University Track and where to send documents and everything. So for example, let's say in the general category, in this first box, I am selecting maybe Hanyang University. Okay, so let's say, so all you have to do is that copy this name. Okay, it's simple, like either copy this name or do whatever you want to do. Go on Google and simply paste the name, and after the name you can write GKS and you can give the year also. Let's say you are applying for 2022, so you can give year. Now once you type that, you will find that there are some pages from that universities which will show you the post about GKS 2022. So in this link you can see it's released on 14th of February, that is after the release of guidelines. So maybe this is the link we are looking for. So you can click here. Now once it opens up, you can see it's all about GKS application forms and guidelines for University Track. And here you can find the dates also. So the first question about dates, you can get it from here, like it opened from 14th of February and the dates are till 25th of March. So the application period. Now here they have explained about the steps also. Now okay, so as we know, for University Track we need one set of documents, but there are few universities which require some additional documents. So these are the documents which Hanyang University requires. So they require one set of original document and one extra photocopy. So they should be placed in separate envelope. So if you follow the guidelines, let's say if you're following GKS guidelines, so you won't be finding these informations. Okay, so it's better to Google the university and then Google kind of find the GKS notice on their website, and then you can follow those steps. So the first step, all you have to do is that submit the required documents within the application period. Now the step 2 will be like they'll be screening and selecting the candidates, and then they'll be taking Zoom interviews. So you can find all the details here. So Zoom interview will be happening from 18th of April till 21st of April. And then let's say if you are selected in the interview, then they'll be sending your names to NEED, and then the second round of screening will take place. So these all the particular information, you can get it from the website, and then you can download the guidelines which are there. Like here you can download the application forms and then you can fill these, and and let's say if you are converting your GPA, so they have specifically said that you can use WES or foreign credits. So these two websites are acceptable for these particular university. And you can all submit your documents to International Affairs of Hanyang University, and this is the address you need to follow. So if you follow these kind of process of googling the university name followed by GKS, so you'll find these kind of notices, and there you will get all the dates and steps. Now we'll look into some other universities. So let's say for this time we are taking Yonsei University. So since Yonsei University is a great university in South Korea, so let's see about how to find the dates about Yonsei University. So you have to follow the similar process this time also. So all you have to do is that write or paste Yonsei University, then GKS 2022. Now once you do that, you'll find the same kind of links available. So let's say if you are looking for GKS program, so you can click it here, and here you can find the dates. So the submission deadline for this year is April 7, 2022. So for Hanyang Universities was 25th of March, I guess, and for this Yonsei University. This is 7th of April. And the place of submission, so you have the address, the phone number, and the same documents. So if let's say if they have released a separate PDF for them, so all you can do is that click here and get the PDF, and you can read all the departments available and all the required documents and everything, and you can prepare the documents according to these PDFs. So what I'm saying is that for university track, all you have to do is that select a university from this particular list and then go to Google, find the university and then find the notice page and read all about the requirements and prepare the documents and just send it to them. So first we saw about Hanyang, then we saw Yonsei. So let's check from this box also. Let's select a university. So maybe from this year, this box, I'll select Chonnam National University, just a random selection. So let's say I just copied the name. Now let's go to Google. So we will be pasting the name here, and in a similar way we'll be writing GKS or just GKS followed by the year. So again, you can get the link here as 2022 Global Korea Scholarship. So all you have to do is that click here. Now once the page loads up, so as you can see, the deadline is 31st of March, and these are the attachments which you can download and read about it. And then if you read it here, then you will find that Chonnam National University is accepting applications. So this provide, and these are the blah blah information, and then March 31st is a date, and you have to send your documents to this particular person and this particular address, and these are the qualification criteria and everything. And let's say if you are benefits and everything and fields of study, you can find it from the attachments. And these are the contact information. If you have any problem with the application, you can just email them or call them. So this is kind of process like university name followed by GKS, year, and then you will get these kind of notices pages. And yeah, that's all you have to do. Yeah, you have to send the documents to the university. So this was it all about searching university for university track. And I guess I was able to explain in brief manner that how to find the universities, how to find the dates, and where to send the documents. And let's say if you are planning to send a document, so you can use any international courier services, let's say DHL, FedEx, or there will be many other courier services. So you can just reach out to them and talk about this. So please make sure that, let's say if the deadline is March 22, then that means the deadline, the document should reach before the deadline, right? So that's all about university track, and I hope I was able to clear the doubt about how to find the universities and everything. And if you like the video, please like it and stay tuned for the important videos about GKS and other scholarships. Soon I'll be making more videos about MEX scholarship, that is Japanese government scholarship, and I'll be sharing various insights on that. So till then, take care and best of luck.